Hey guys, good morning. It's about 10 o'clock on Wednesday, April 1st of 2026. So, um, recently I made an Amazon order, mainly diamond arts, and I recorded one part of it, and I don't remember if I posted it or not. And I went back and watched the recording that I had of it. It was damaged somehow, don't know how. So, since I got my second part, there's a third part coming, either third or fourth. Excuse me. I thought I'll go through what I have already, even though I may have posted the video. Please just be patient. My mind is going everywhere, so. But here we go. These are all diamond arts. I got a hummingbird, good stained glass type. Yeah. That one was $3. This one I got for $2.99. Beautiful, right? I don't remember how much this one was, but whatever. It's succulents. Oh, this one's cute. I like this one. So, it's cute. And then this one is in memory of my brother from another species, tiger. He passed away. Yeah, I haven't done one in his memory yet, so I saw this, and this one was $4, and it's originally like 16 because a lot of people want it more customized. So when I saw the price on it, I jumped on it. Thank you, Grandma. Stay there, don't fall. And now we got 3, and they're called the Evil Eye package. And this whole pack was $8. These 3. Evil Eye. This is another Evil Eye one. I like how it looks like she has glasses on. That's freaking awesome. And this is the final one of the Evil Eye and of what I have so far. Hubby really likes this one. So, yeah. Not bad. And then I have, there's a picture frame and more diamond arts coming. So I think there's either 3 or 4 more diamond arts and a picture frame. The picture frame's for Grandma. She has one that I did with the rhinestone type drills. She loves it. It's a little tree, and she's been looking for a frame for it, but she can't find one. So I saw one that is the size she needs, and it was $7. So, and a pack costs like $25, and she only needs one. She only needs one. So, yeah. Otherwise, yeah, I'm working on a diamond art. I'm recovering from a tooth extraction. It's a molar. This tooth below the gum line, there was a cavity, which was causing the pain, and the tooth was loose. 'Cause, yeah, it took a while to remove because they pulled off the cap first, the silver cap, and then they worked on pulling out the tooth. The x-rays they had, it looked like there was a tooth growing in between the little legs of the tooth. And they found out it's just a bony growth, but when they took the tooth out, a part of the bony growth charred off, broke off. So they had to dig that out just to make sure. So, but I got 4 stitches here. It's the first time that I can ever remember having a tooth removed where I needed stitches. But it doesn't really hurt. It's just sore right here where the tooth was on my jawbone, the bottom of the jawbone. So I'm taking my Tylenol extra strength. But for 2 weeks I have to eat solid soft food diet. So right now I'm on day 3. Day 2. It happened Monday, the tooth extraction. So yeah, I'm okay. There's not, like I said, not a whole lot of pain. It's just sore, yeah, so, I am working on my diamond painting, like I said. Here, I'll show you. This one is one that I've had since the beginning of last year. It's an elephant. And it was supposed to go to my aunt. Not that it's on the other one. But she hasn't asked for it or anything, so I'm doing it, and when I get done with it, it'll be put in my portfolio. And if she ever does, you can be like, oh, here it is. So, yeah. Otherwise, yeah. But like I said, otherwise, I'm not doing too much. Watching Friends. The only thing I'm missing from Friends is the reunion special. So, I did on YouTube here post my birthday Amazon wish list. When I posted it, I realized it was still private. So if you guys can't click the link, please let me know, and I'll redo it so that way you guys can. Yeah. So my birthday is in May, so I will be 40. But I may, on my birthday, act like the biggest kid ever because I'm tired of adulting. So, yeah. So if anyone would like to send anything, I have my Amazon wish list. If you want to send it not through Amazon, find me on Instagram and DM me there. And if I do share my address, please do not share it with anyone else. Please. But no. Anyways, yeah. I had to miss for my extraction. I had to miss group Monday, so I missed it. So I'm going Thursday. So yeah. Otherwise, yeah, not too much more going on, guys. We're doing okay without Puppers. We do still miss him. Yeah, it's still pretty weird without him. but it's okay. You know, we know he's not suffering anymore. We know, you know, things are okay. So, yeah. So, but hubby made the decision that we are going to foster to adopt. So, um, we're probably going to be closer to Thanksgiving, Christmas maybe, when we start looking into meeting dogs, you know, meet and greet stuff, you know, so that way next year we can possibly bring someone home. I'm looking forward to that. I miss having the puppers around. I do. And yes, I still know we're not gonna find one as good as Puppers himself. It's okay. That's perfectly fine. Yeah, I know that. I know that. Hubby knows that. It's just, there's so many dogs, so many cats, so many other animals that need a good, loving home. And I know this home isn't perfect by any means, but it is filled with love. That's for sure. That's for sure. So, and so is his family. So, and I know the majority of, well, all of my friends love animals as well, so, yeah. So, and plus, I miss telling Kina that her godpuppers is acting up. Or being too cute. So, and I miss her coming over to spend time with them. And that's perfectly fine. If we get another dog, and she falls head over heels with this dog too, she can come over whenever she wants to spend time. It's perfectly fine. All she has to do is make sure we're home. But alright guys, I miss talking with you guys so much. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. And I'll get back to you guys later. So, I will see you guys later. Happy April Fools. I don't really celebrate it too much, but you do. If not, happy April 1st.